mid fucking weirdos.
I have my high chew right here. Want it? Just grab it. Yep, just grab it. Pull down my pants.
I don't even your sis.
So these are Infrusions. I don't know what that means.
Wow.
They're fruitier than normal. Unlike me. We have that flavor, and that flavor. What do you want? Juicy strawberry? Or do you want juicy peach? Or do you want juicy blood orange? I don't want blood orange. Do you like strawberry?
I'm just eating whatever you gave me.
Why? You can have something better.
Really, nigga?
Looks like pink cum.
No, they're like high chews on crack. Yeah, like double the flavor and like, yeah.
Is this the other one?
Hey, peach or blood orange? Try blood orange.
Yeah.
It's a weird flavor. No choice. What, you need my help?
Yes.
Oh, too oil.
What the?
Why is it black? It actually smells really good though.
Peach tastes like There's brown shit in the middle.
You know what?
Man!
I don't know, man. That's weird.
Really? Actually, I don't know why I keep buying them. Ew.
That's kind of nasty. I don't know what that brown shit is. I'm sorry, just to spit it there. I'm not. I'm done.